Alright, what's up, Mug Gang? We're out here in Long Beach, Cambodia town with the Cambodian homies. This is Artie right here. RDZ.
In the east side of the LBC.
Alright, and this is David Chia.
What up?
Both lifelong residents of Long Beach. And we're here to tour Long Beach's Cambodian food at this staple called Phnom Penh Noodle right behind me. So we get some Phnom Penh noodles. Let's do it. Mukbang for the Mug Gang.
Mug Gang.
Give me a rundown on Phnom Penh Noodle.
Oh yeah, this is like one of the first places that sell for Cambodian style, like katil. They call it katil. This is like a OG place. My mom and dad used to take me here when I was a little kid. They call it the Shack. If you're from Long Beach, they known as the Shack because it was really small. It was just like this side.
Not to be confused with Radio Shack.
Us Cambodian people, we always eat it for breakfast. So I mean, we have like a porridge, and then we have the pho noodles. So I mean, it's like a Cambodian take on it. But yeah.
Would you say this is the top one place here? Best
It's
place
probably
to
like
cook
yeah, it's the #1 place in Long Beach to go eat.
for kutil?
Yep.
You got stupid young here. You gotta order me, man. No.
Hey, don't fuck me.
That's mandatory.
Oh, it's food.
You told me what's good here?
#1.
Alright, so you guys go here.
You had to get the
This is Phnom Penh House Special. Sliced pork, ground pork.
You get it dry or wet, but you got.
What is this, David?
In Khmer, this is called cha kwai. In Vietnamese, it's called
Chow Wai.
cha wai.
But gang for the gang.
So basically, these are fried Chinese donuts. That's the English translation. And you just dip it in the soup, right?
Yep.
But we don't have the soup yet, so just gonna eat it raw. It's gonna go in raw.
How we do it?
Always fresh, you know what I'm saying?
It's super crunchy too. This is like the equivalent of Italian breadsticks for the Cambodians, right?
Pretty much.
Where's the butter?
Right here.
Ooh. This is actually really crunchy. Can you hear it? It's crunchy.
One medium dry. And large.
What's up, my gang? We got the fire noodles, the Phnom Penh Noodles house special. And I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up my way. We got it dry with a soup on the side. Look at this. Look at this pork bone fruit. Like a big old pork bone in there. It's a pork bone broth with a pork bone in there. You guys wanna see how I set it up? That's how I eat it. Alright. So I put just a little bit of soup, just make it a little bit of wet, you know what I'm saying? Then I put the hot sauce. Gotta have the hot sauce, right? You know what I'm saying? Put a little bit of hoisin, just a little bit. Get some lime. Some bean sprouts. Got some Chinese donuts. You know the cha kwai. Yeah, you gotta put it right there. Just put a little bit more soup. Just a little bit. Or like a little wet. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna take our first bite. You gotta get a little bit of everything. I'll show you. Alright. I'll show you guys. Look. Get a little bit of meat. A little bit of cha kwai.
You hear that ASMR?
And then you taste it with a little bit of soup.
I love the adjectives.
God. And then you take a little bit of meat from the soup, right? So bomb, bro.
That RDZ feature though.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so this is actually it's not my first time eating that. I had this, but I gotta do it Cambodian style. So You guys direct me. Tell me what should I do and I'll do it. Looks pretty good. Dry. I actually like it dry.
Yeah, so I like to put my sauces first.
I don't like it too saucy, but you know what? Give it a little bit of this broth right here. Gonna get a little wet, a little moist. And then what sauce? This is the little hoisin sauce. I like this sauce right here. I'm a simple man, so I'm not gonna put in too much. The noodles is still a little bit clumpy, so put a little bit of the broth, a little bit more. Alright, so this is braised pork, right? So we got the braised pork, we got the barbecue pork. Where's the barbecue pork? Oh, no barbecue, so it's braised pork, shrimp, brown pork, shrimp,
And the liver.
liver. This is a pork bone for the flavor. So we got a little bit of this. See this? Okay. It's really fatty, but crispy at the same time. I don't know how you do that. That's fire.
You also get it
Wait
with
there.
egg noodles too.
Also get it with the egg noodles. I'm gonna try the egg noodle.
Oh man, try it.
So I'm trying to. That was the hudeo, the clear rice noodle. This is the egg noodle right here.
Big egg noodle.
This one has a little bit more texture. A little bit more texture. Egg noodle. It's pretty good. I think I'd go with this though. Fire, guys. Flames. Now I'm gonna taste the pork broth soup. It's really dense with that pork meat flavor. It's pretty good. Kind of tastes like pho. A little bit. Like pork pho.
This is how they make the soup though.
Yeah. I can't get enough of this pork bone though. It's really good. Look at this. Like the pork bone. Put it in here. Mix it up. Damn, you're killing it. Delicious. Ooh, we forgot about the Chinese donut. Alright, yeah, get this. Dip it in the sauce. Dip it in here. Ooh. Use this one. No, you don't have to give me anything. Fire.
Super fire.
Super fire. Meat's really juicy and tender too. Tender bender.
Hey guys.
I actually like more.
Before
I actually like the sauce.
right here, bro.
So I like my hutio. Drowned in hoisin sauce.
Look at this bone marrow. Before bone marrow was popular, us Cambodians was sucking this bone marrow out, man. That's the best part. You know what I'm saying? Of the bone. Yeah.
Show them the bone marrow.
Right here. So what you do, I get a chopstick, right? I go like that, right? And then
Oh, ooh,
fire.
that is more.
Woo!
What tastes like?
Tastes like butter, meat, like straight fat. You know what I'm saying? Straight, just like butter meat, bro.
Give us a. Damn, you killed your plate fast. What the egg noodle taste like?
It's good. I like the egg noodle more because it has more texture.
Texture?
Yeah.
More flavor?
Yeah, more flavor for me.
More protein, right?
Yeah.
Give them the bicep flex. Some people just drink their soup separate and then eat the noodle. Some put the soup in the noodle. I like eating mine dry, but I think it's time to switch it up, right?
Yeah.
It's time to switch it up and put the soup in there. I'm gonna try it with the soup. Definitely has a different flavor. The soup really neutralizes like the saltiness of the dish. You know what I mean? Solid. I think I'm gonna eat it with the soup next time.
Yeah, I usually throw like a quarter of the soup into my bowl.
A quarter, yeah.
Not the whole thing, but a quarter.
Some kill this pork bone right here.
Eat it.
See this? This is how a real man eats his pork bone. You gotta gnaw on it with your hands.
That big chunk right there. Chase it with some noodles.
You already know. I'm getting kind of full. This is a huge serving, guys. Huge serving. How much is it? Damn. That's what you call bang for your buck right there.
Call it mukbang for your buck.
Mukbang for your buck.
My stomach hurts now.
David's allergic to shrimp,
Because I usually
so he gave me the alley-oop right here.
I usually eat. I need
Wow.
banana.
This dish is like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. I'm gonna do something new right here. I'm gonna dip this in the mix of my noodles. So it has a little bit of everything. See this? Ooh. This is fire, guys. Fire.
5 out of 5 fires. How many fires?
Out of 5 fires, you gotta definitely be a 5 out of 5 fires.
Fuego, fuego, fuego.
Fuego. Do I get the bone marrow? Yeah. So Artie told me I gotta suck it.
You gotta break it down first. You gotta.
Ooh, I feel it. Look at this. See that? Look at this.
Ooh, the autofocus, man.
So it broke it down. So it's time to bust it down. Ooh. Ooh.
Pause.
Tastes like how Artie described it.
It's good.
Like meaty butter. It's like meat butter. Finger licking good. Wow. Perfectly balanced dish. Not too salty. Not too sweet. Just right. A lot of protein too. They close at 3 because this is a
Breakfast type of meal.
Yep, this is a breakfast noodle, so make sure you guys come when they open till 3. I'm pretty much finished, guys. 5 out of 5. Fire signs. Get mine too, Artie.
It's you need mercury over here. You got a lot of meat still left.
Almost murk. Finishing up.
And everybody, we gotta eat the liver, bro. Quit playing.
What? You don't like liver? Liver is the best, bro.
Cheers.
Hey,
You don't like liver? I like liver.
I think it would be better if we had it with noodle.
Yeah.
By itself, it's kind of.
Man, this tastes like I'm in Cambodia.
No.
That's how it is. Duma.
That means meat, bro.
Phnom Penh Noodle. That was a success. We're now leaving Phnom Penh Noodle with the full stomachs. It was really good. Thank you to the Cambodian locals of Cambodia town Long Beach for taking me there. David and Artie. You guys have anything else to say to the Mug Gang? Before we leave?
Please like and subscribe.
Yeah. Comment where you want us to eat next. And subscribe for more
And
mukbangs.
let me know if you want to join the Mug Gang for the gangbang.
Alright guys. Deuces. Mukbang for the Mug Gang.